Hi folks, I'm going to use this tutorial to show you the break tool. There are many different ways of drawing polygons, but when I select the Polygon Tool, I select 8 sides, center point, circumscribe it, and then I'm just going to randomly draw an object, an octagon. You'll notice that when you select the octagon, it shows you the corners, but it doesn't let you select specific lines. So that could be difficult if I wanted to, say, use 2 of these corners to break this in half. You might consider using the break tool for that. So the break tool is over here, and it looks like a little rectangle with 2 breaks at the top, I suppose. Grab that, select the object you want to break, and then you just pick points that you want to use to break. So for instance, I'll go back here to this one, select the break tool, select the object, and then it wants me to select the break point. I'll break it right there. So I had selected the object up here, and then I selected my break point down there. I'll demonstrate one more time here. So the center polygon. I'm going to select the break tool. First thing I'm selecting is what I want to break based upon. So let's say I want to break based on that side right in the middle. And then over here, it'll get rid of everything between those 2 points. So it's just a handy way of breaking objects like rectangles, polygons, etc., circles.